In this video, we will show the best coconut water available to buy. At number 10. Mojoco Delicious Natural Tender Coconut Water. It brings delicious natural tender coconut water energy drink which is cholesterol-free, low-calorie energy drink. It is enriched with vitamin and minerals, a great source of potassium. At number 9. PureFoods Tender Coconut Water. It is made from young coconuts. 100% pure coconut water is refreshing, rehydrating and tastes just like you're drinking it straight from the coconut. At number 8. Cocoxim Organic Coconut Water. It is made by 100% natural young green coconuts that have been grown and met USDA organic standards. It has no added sugar, no preservatives. At number 7. Urban Platter Tender Coconut Water. It is a delicious and refreshing low-calorie natural beverage. Tender coconut water contains more nutrients than mature coconut water. At number 6. Palmdew Tender Coconut Water Powder. It is made with 100% real tender coconut water and all natural sugars. We just took out the heavy coconuts that would also clutter up the house and increased its shelf life. At number 5. Coco Aqua Instant Tender Coconut Water Powder. Ideal for people suffering from fatigue and exertion in daily life. Coco Aqua not only energizes the body but is a healthier alternative to carbonated drinks. At number 4. NaturUp Tender Coconut Water Powder. We capture the authentic taste of tender coconut water in powder form in the most natural way without any preservatives, artificial flavors, artificial colors. At number 3. Mojoco Delicious Natural Coconut Water. It is enriched with vitamin and minerals, great source of potassium. It gives you refreshing boost and energy, make you feel instantly energetic. It is good for health. At number 2. Paper Boat Coconut Water. It is the best to drink, easy to use. You can get the real thrill of coconut in any season. Ride with Paper Boat. It is produced in very hygienic and clean atmosphere. At number 1. Cocojal Natural Tender Coconut Water. 100% natural tender coconut water and no preservative. First company in India to pack 100% natural tender coconut water.